Hello everyone, this is Pranay welcoming you back to this channel. If you are interested in information, facts and stories about science, please join me by subscribing this channel. Today I am excited to share an amazing opportunity for students, researchers and professionals interested in semiconductor technology. Cense, the Center for Nanoscience and Engineering at IISc Bangalore, has announced its Winter School 2025. And if you are passionate about semiconductor industry, you should definitely know about this program. This 2-week online program, scheduled from December 8th to December 19th, 2025, is designed to strengthen India's semiconductor talent pipeline. Participants will gain exposure to industry-related concepts, fabrication technologies, emerging semiconductor applications, and more. This Winter School welcomes undergraduate and postgraduate students, PhD scholars and research fellows, academic faculty and staff, industry professionals, technology startups. This program is intentionally broad, allowing learners from multiple backgrounds to benefit. Participants will learn from world-class faculty at IISc, one of India's premier research institutions in nanoelectronics and semiconductor fabrication. The curriculum focuses on hands-on, industry-oriented skills that are immediately useful for careers in semiconductor research, VLSI, nanotechnology, material science, and more. The fee structure is kept accessible, especially for students. Student and scholar has to pay 1,000 plus GST, whereas academic faculty and staff has to pay 10,000 plus GST. So there are different price ranges for industrial and startup participants. You can get all the information from their website. To register, simply visit the official Cense Winter School webpage and complete the Microsoft Forms registration. Links are provided in the description. The last date to apply is November 30th, 2025. Early registration is recommended as Winter School is expected to receive applications from across India and abroad. This Winter School is a perfect stepping stone for everyone looking to enter or advance in semiconductor space. Apply now and take the next step towards building the future of technology. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And let me know in the comment if you want a dedicated video on semiconductor careers in India. Thank you.